Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to talk about a little slack that Microsoft is giving users. Actually, one of the things that they were saying is they want to help users get a little more personalized experience in Windows 11, a user-friendly experience. And what they are saying is that more and more apps that are already pre-installed will have a uninstall button in Windows 11. So this is good news if you are one of those that would like to remove some of the apps. More apps are actually going to be able to uninstall. It started arriving already in the insider rings. A lot of the apps, they say more will actually have that capability. So we'll see up to what point Microsoft actually does it. But apps like the camera app will be able to uninstall, as you see here. There will be the Photos app, the People app, Remote Desktop. A client will be able to be removed, stuff like that. So this is good news, I think, for a lot of people that wish that you could customize your Windows a little more. Hopefully, this will make it to the different, versions. Some of them already, of course, in the standard Windows 11 23H2 have an uninstall button. But there are going to be more coming up, and they say that they want to have a more flexible and personalized user experience. So as time goes by, more and more apps are going to actually have the uninstall button. I think this is a good idea. The one that probably a lot of people would like to have an uninstall button, I wouldn't be surprised, would be the Microsoft Edge. Of course, it does not have an uninstall button. Will it ever have an uninstall button? I don't think so. That there's a few things like that that I doubt will actually ever have some of the uninstall features. But the Map app can. You can uninstall the Mail app. There's more and more of these that are coming up. So hopefully this is going to help out, and that you're going to be able to customize Windows a little more to what you wish Windows would be, rather than what Microsoft thinks Windows should be on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.